This is Team Linux. My name is Ravitej, and our project is Internet mailing system. And my project mates are Mounika Ankam and Rejvan Sharo. Now, Rejvan will explain you the presentation.
Hi, today I would like to explain our project through the PowerPoint, and we have here some information about our project. Our project is named Intranet Mailing System, and here we're gonna focus on something that's main important for us. The main reason from this project is to build a process, to build a system in small organization which provide more security, and we can also explain some advantage of this technology or this process. And here we can start with what is intranet. Intranet, we can say it's a network based on a TCP/IP protocol and belonging to an organization, and usually it's corporation accessibility only by the organization members. And here we can give some differences between the intranet and internet, which is internet is an open and public space worldwide system of interconnected computer networks. So that's the main point of difference between intranet and the internet. And here we have some technologies that require our project. We can start with operating system that we use to build our project, which is Ubuntu for client and server. And also web server, we use Apache Tomaco server. And for coding our project, we depend on HTML and PHP. Also, we have communication architecture. It's jQuery, and honestly, we use MySQL for our database maintenance. We can depend on the new hardware requirements for using this project. It's all new devices. We can use it as a view here. You can use it. Scope of the project. As we said, we just focus on a main reason for build this process, which is security and the time and how to transfer the mail or the message from the sender to receiver. Intranet. Intranet, we can say it's a network based on the Internet TCP/IP. It's open standard. And intranet belongs to an organization, as we said before, and it's designed to accessibility only by organization, which is used inside the building or small organization. Here we can see how the system or how the process it's work between the sender and the receiver. We can see here when you as a user send a message or mail from any of these offices, it goes to the server, which is intranet, and then it's stored there, and then by the address or by the name it goes to the receiver. Here we're gonna start with the client server model. Client server is supposed to be connected to the one main server. Here we can see it. Here we're going to talk about forms, which is clients appear. It's application based and web based. Clients very generally it's functionally built, but provide its base level of functionality that assets the user. Here we can see the server. Server is connected to the whole clients, and when you as a sender, when you send a message or mail to another user, it goes to the server. And if you want to check if you received or get some mail or message, you're gonna check by the server here, and then you can get your message. Finally, we can talk about some advantage of our project, the system that we use, which is Interanet. It's we can say saving time and cost effective and high security, which is most important point in our project that we focused on. And also it's workforce productivity and more communication and business operation and management, and also promote common corporate culture. This is some advantage of the using intranet. In conclusion, we use this process or this project because it's more secure and safe and saving time, and we can say costly effective. And now I will let my partner Mounika to give more information to using diagram and to explain how the process or how the transfer between sender and receiver it's work.
Hi, Monica. Actually, if we here we can use any type of browser. As we open our website, and if you are an authorized user, then it contacts with the Apache, and it access to the MySQL. If you are not an authorized user, then it redirects to the page and shows sign in. And as it shows sign in, it has like sign in with his credentials. After getting a sign in successfully, you can directly access MySQL. Here it's an example of a database like our mailing system database. Here, if you open an inbox page as a user Ravi, it fetches the data from MySQL. As the type is inbox, it matches with the inbox page, and user if user is Ravi, and it matches with the Ravi. After matching, it shows the messages which Ravi received, or else if he sent any messages, it shows the send messages. If he save anything in the draft, it shows draft messages. As it works in the same way here, which example we gave here, and the overall execution will be explained by Ravi, and he'll handle everything with that.
Hi, so I'm gonna explain you the overall execution of our project. So I have installed Linux in my system. It's virtually installed. So I'll just show you. So here, now, first of all, I'll just show you the coding part. Come on. It's a little bit slow. Okay. Okay. Here, computer, and then where is where here? www html. So here we have created many pages, so each page is been coded in using PHP and HTML. So I'll just show you this one. I'm sorry. So this one, now this index page, so these are all the coding section. So here we have coded each and every page. I'll just show you the execution part. Localhost, and so now this is our main screen, I mean the main website page. So here we need to actually create an account using new user. So I'll just create as Ravi no, I'll just create as Varada at snu.edu. Can keep as snu.com, and I'll just put as password as 1234. That's the default one. Create the user. Okay, now I'm just entering my inbox. So I have no mails and I've signed in as Varada at snoo.com. So this is home, inbox. We have compose, send, draft, trash, and logout page. So let's compose a mail. Let's create other email ID so that I can show you. So I'll just create Rejvan at snoo. Okay, it's .com. So here 1 2 3 4 default password, create, continue, sign in. So this is Rejvan's page, so we can see here at right top corner. Okay, now here I'm gonna send a mail to Ravi, that's Varada at snoo.com. I'll write it as new project. That's okay. Test one, and message. I'll write it. This is
Good evening,
the
user.
new user. Okay, now I'm gonna send it. So it's sent. I can see here in my sent message that I have sent to Rejvan, to Ravitej, this mail ID, this message. So if I click it here, so this is the message. Now I'm gonna check in my account. Let's sign into using 1234 as password and logging in. So I received the mail over here now. So this is the mail. I'm just opening the mail now. Here we go. We got the mail now. So this comes from the database, as Mounika explained you how it fetches the data from the MySQL. So here we go. Now if we delete it, so it goes to the deleted trash. So we can see everything now. We can create a user, a number of users in this. I'll show you the deleted one. Sorry. Yep. Trash. Here we go. Here is the deleted one. So this is total, the overview of the mailing system. We have created it. And coming to draft, I'll just log into my account. Composing mail. So this I'm gonna send it to Rejvan.com and test 3 should be draft. So if I save it, it saves in the draft. Now it's in draft page. This is inbox. Now we can say it. So it's in draft page. You can, if we sign it out now and using client system or client laptop, anything, anywhere, if we're gonna sign that with that user, the particular user which I've created it, that's Ravi. So we can see that in drafts. So and drafts also works fine. So this is our overview of the project, and thank you, sir. If any doubts, let me know.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.